Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. I just wanted to give you another Valentine's Day backdrop idea. Of course, this can also be used for a wedding. Valentine's Day is tomorrow, the 14th here in Michigan. So here's my idea. Coming up, I'm going to show you how I put this together. So this is how I set up the crossbars. I use a 9-inch, I use two 9-inch valance hangers and 3 crossbars. So for my base layer, I use 4 blush panels. I want to tell you all about my membership program. This is an opportunity for event professionals to connect. We will have live chats, monthly live chats, and you'll get an opportunity to meet with me and other event professionals, and we can just be a support and a help to one another. The join button is below this video. Okay, back to this design. So my base layer was the blush panels, and then as you can see, I used 3 sequin rose gold panels, or did I use 4? I'm not sure. And then I have some dusty rose voile in between that, and then I have on the outside I have some burgundy. On my front crossbar, I just used 2 panels. I used 2 burgundy 4-way stretch panels. Okay, here I am working on a valance. This is that very long fabric that I had, and this is how I connected it to the upright. So this valance / pole covers, this is 30 feet long. So I repurposed it, or I used it 2 different ways, as a valance and as pole covers. So here I am pleating. You're gonna see me play around with this dusty rose voile. No, this is actually chiffon fabric, and I didn't like the way those pleats, or the pleats were not really relaxing. I wanted to give it more some looseness, but it just wasn't looking right. So I decided on just keeping those panels straight, just like the sequin panels in the middle, and I believe that is 2 sequin panels. So here I'm going to begin to swag my fabric, and I'm using pipe cleaners to secure it. So now I'm doing my burgundy. Okay, I'm going to slow it down here because I want to show you. As you can see, I'm using one end of the panel, and I measured it up against the sequin panel. And then notice how I lift one arm up, and then I'm just bringing it together. So this is a technique I use to help me swag the fabric. And I will be breaking this down more in my mini draping class. If you don't know how to do that technique, you just want to hold the fabric in your hand and just begin to loosen it up so you can have a swag, or be able to swag the fabric. So here I'm going up to that black thing on the uprights to secure those 2 front burgundy panels. So now I'm just cleaning up my bottom. I make up a design for the bottom. The center, I didn't like that. You're going to see me change that. But I'm just making everything nice and neat. Puddling my pole covers. So now I'm back working on that center one. And I'm giving it, I always say Hershey Kiss bottom. It has a Hershey Kiss shape to it. Okay, this is how it turned out. Make sure you sign up for my membership program. You will see a button below this video to join. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I thank you so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time. Bye, and happy Valentine's Day.